Hi, this is me, Daniel. I'm here to talk about the stress and intonation in English. I hope you find this useful for your English practice. Let's get started. Stress and intonation in English is more like music. As you can see from the photo, there's here's the piano, and if you are good at music, probably you will be very good at English as well. This is the slide related to resources that I have just used for this presentation. First of all, you can see a web page here about about.com, which talks about many things about the stress and intonation, all about theory, but I think it's a bit complicated as a start. But anyway, you could have a look at it if you've got time. Yeah, then intonation and stress is also very related to drama and theater. When you are learning a new language, it's more like production. And if you are good at drama or theater, probably you will be very good at your English production as well. Yeah. Then there's more information about pronunciation and stress and intonation with the third link. But for this short video, I just would like you to have plenty of resources, but let's focus on some simple stress and intonation in English, which is here, and this link here. Yeah. Stress and intonation in English, it's very related to some things like this. Let's see. This is about the theory, as you can see. Yeah, many things related to that. Yeah, but you could have a look. This is much theory. I just want you to go straight to things that are more related to what we are going to do, which is the next slide. So for more information about the stress, click on here as well. But let's go straight to the main topics about the stress here. Here on the left, you've got all the sounds of English, all the vowels here, and the consonants down here. You could practice them all, but this is more related to specific sounds and specific words. I think stress intonation is more like within some sentences or contexts, like if we work on intonation, you will see some arrows that they go down, they go up, and there are some dots. The dots are related to the stress of the words. So let's practice some of these words here so that you can understand that there are in English, there are several different patterns, intonation patterns that you could work on. For example, let's let's have a go. Yeah, let's try it. He bought apples, pears, and oranges. So as you can see, it goes down at the end of the list. You are just saying the listener that you have just finished your list of fruits. Yeah. Then there are some ups and downs. Let's have a try it as well. Have two pencils, and a black pen, and some ink. So these 1, 2, and 3 words are not so important. The important information for this sentence are the things, the actual things uh, of um, of the person who is talking to you. Yeah. They are the giving words, I mean, the given information is more like what you've got. Yeah. So just let's move on. Let's deal with the third sentence. We went to Paris, Brussels, Amsterdam, and London. And London. So you can see the intonation goes down. Yeah. Okay. Let's do the following one. So Esther, Jane, Neil, and Susan. And Susan. Yeah. It goes down as well. If we talk about single words like here on your right, we could talk about this vowel here, the schwa. This is the most common vowel in English, which is unstressed. So we are going to stress the second syllable of about, and this a is now is not similar to the Spanish one. It's more like if you are frightened of something, for example, yeah? about. Then we've got the stress is on the first syllable, China, China, and the t is first consonant here. Okay, let's move on. Conversation. The stress is on the third syllable, and the shun is this as well. Yeah, the s, z, sh, s is very it's very useful for you to practice them all with different words. Yeah, this s, sh, no, s, sorry, I did it wrong. S, z, sh, shn, shn. As you can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 different s. Yeah, and depending on the word, you may have one or the other. So it's good for you to practice them all. Yeah. Okay, let's finish this slide because the time is running. Just going over. Yeah, it's running low, and I just want you to finish this slide, and then we've got another one here that you could do it at home if you want to. Yeah, but this is stress and intonation is more like just pieces of what I'm saying to you in within within the main lesson. Yeah, just step by step you will practice a little bit of this, but I don't think it's a good idea to practice them all like a whole session on stress and intonation. But anyway, I'll try to complete this PowerPoint presentation about the stress and intonation for you to have a look at it, or for you to practice when you've got time. So no matter how many times you're going to repeat this, it's good for your English. So remember that it's more like every day is a school day, and the more you practice, the better for you. Yeah. So let's finish these three different images so that we can finish, and then I'll talk about the last slide, which is a bit more different from this one. Yeah. So here we've got a question. Yeah. And it's what is this main stress, as you can see, is bigger than the others, and this goes really up here. Yeah. What did he tell you? What did he tell you? And it goes down. What did he tell you? What did he tell you? What did he tell you? So it's good for you to practice changing the rhythm and changing the speed of your speaking. Yeah, it's good for you. And let's try this sentence stress here. There's 6 sentences here. I don't know if you can read them all, but let's try. Let's have a try. Jack will cycle to Resta tonight. Jack will cycle to the rest of tonight. Jack will cycle to the rest of tonight. Jack will cycle to the rest of tonight. Jack will cycle to the restaurant tonight. Jack will cycle to the restaurant tonight. So depending on your intention, depending on the meaning, and within a conversation, you may change the sentence stress on depending on your intention and depending on what you really want to talk about and put the emphasis on. Yeah. So no matter you go down, you go up to put more stress, or just down because you finished the sentence, or just at the end of a list, for example. Yeah, and you go down. So English is more like go up, go down, but it's not, definitely it's not like flat all the time. Yeah, it's more like music that uh, there are notes that and and it's a pattern. There are several patterns to apply. You know. Okay, good. So let's finish with this slide now. Here you've got some more specific activities, stress in numbers with the audio, yeah, and stress related to greetings. So let's talk about the first one, and then you at home you could click on here. You've got the photocopy, and here you've got the audio to listen to. But basically, I just want to finish this very quickly, just saying that numbers are good for intonation. Yeah, many of the times, if you remember at school, you you probably put the stress on the final syllable of the numbers. For example, if you talk about 13, 19, 17, but it's not like that. If you are listing the numbers, you don't have to stress on the last syllable. The first one is stressed, yeah, because you know the numbers, unless you want to emphasize or you want to clarify that is the confusion between, for example, um, 50 and 15. No, it's not 50, it's 15, teen, and you stress on the second syllable. But if there is no confusion whatsoever, for example, when you are saying the numbers aloud, yeah, you are counting from 1 to, let's say, 50, yeah, you don't have to stress on teen. It's 15, 17, 18, no, and not 18, yeah, because you know the numbers, and you know the following one, and you are saying 12, 11, 13, 14, 15, yeah, you don't have to say 15, yeah, because it's the following one, so there is no confusion whatsoever. Okay, I think this is over. I think you may find this slide useful, stressing and intonation. And please remember that this is going to be updated. I don't know when, because of the time that I've got to work on this, but I hope you find it useful somehow. Thank you very much.